Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. The series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. In this video, we will show you how to restore or revert to an earlier version of a drop-down list. As before, in this example, we will be using our demo campaign plan sheet. Now, as with the other scenarios, if a user were to open the sheet, and assuming that they had the appropriate permissions, they could edit the column properties of columns, including this drop-down list column, for example. And if they then were to make changes to the list of options, by deleting or overwriting data, and then if they were to click Save, then that earlier version of the drop-down list would be gone forever, unless you have access to a SmartBackup copy of the sheet. So, in this example, we do have a backup copy of the sheet in our SmartBackup Vault workspace, so all we need to do is locate the most recent backup copy of the sheet, and open the backup copy. Then in the backup copy, you would go to the column with the drop-down list, edit the column properties, and now you would be able to copy a portion of the earlier list, or you could copy the entire list. Then you would switch back to the live sheet, open the column properties, and then paste the options list into the values field. Then click OK, and save, and you will have restored or reverted to an earlier version of the drop-down list. That brings us to the end of this video. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Thanks for watching.